Now, if you are a beginner, these are the 7 businesses you can start today to make money online along with your day job. I have been in the industry from past 10 years, so I can share my own experience and honest opinion with you so that you can decide which business model is most suitable for you to start. So, coming to our first business model, which is Amazon FBA. That's mean fulfillment by Amazon. Amazon is providing you warehousing services, delivery services, logistics services, and customer support services as well. Now, when you talk about Amazon FBA, there are different business model under Amazon. One of them is Amazon FBA wholesale, and other one is private labeling (PL), and third one is Amazon dropshipping. But Amazon FBA wholesale will require you to invest some money because wholesale mean you are going to sell branded products on Amazon website, and these are the brands which are already popular and they have millions of customers who are looking to buy their products. And if I tell you in simple words, first you will have to find the product which people are looking to buy on Amazon, and then you will have to find the supplier, and you can find those supplier and distributor by going into the brand website. And once you have found the supplier, you will ship your inventory from supplier to Amazon warehouse, and Amazon will take care of everything. So Amazon FBA wholesale is secure business model, and if you know how this business model actually works, you can make at least 10 to 15% margins. And then on Amazon we have private label business, which will allow you to sell your own branded products by your logo and your packaging. Private label is a risky business model, and you will have to understand the whole business model, how this business model actually works, because you will have to register the brand with Amazon and in the country where you are going to work. And then third business model is Amazon dropshipping. Amazon dropshipping business model is very risky because Amazon will ask from you supplier invoice, and if you will not provide, Amazon will simply suspend your account. And you can also sell your books on Amazon as well, which can be a physical or can be a digital product. Amazon also has a merch by Amazon, which allows you to sell print on demand products. And once you are approved for a merch by Amazon, you simply create your design and put them on the products, and Amazon will pay you a royalty against each sale. So for beginner, in my point of view, starting on Amazon can be risky. You have to get the experience or knowledge before starting on Amazon. And second business model is Shopify dropshipping, which you can start with very less investment, but for beginner, I would recommend to start on social media first, like Facebook Marketplace or Instagram. And once you create a page on social media, and if you are getting the customer on your social media pages, then you can drive traffic to your Shopify store, because Amazon and other marketplaces has millions of customers, and if you are starting on Amazon or other marketplaces, they have already millions of customers who are looking to buy their products. And if you are going to start on Shopify, you will have to drive traffic to your website, which is the most crucial and difficult part for starters. And if you are unable to drive traffic to your website, you will hardly make any sales. But if you are working in a marketing agency and you know how to run ads, or if you have experience with ads, then you can start Shopify dropshipping business model. And major part in Shopify dropshipping is getting your order delivered on time. And if your orders are getting late, like you are shipping from China or AliExpress, and your orders are delivered in 10 to 15 days, your customer will leave a bad review. And in that business, because you are solely responsible for all of your business and you are connecting different payment gateways with your store, so your payment gateways will block you from accepting payment, and they can also hold your funds for 180 days if your orders are getting late. So if you are going to start Shopify dropshipping, make sure to use local suppliers, because they will ship your order very fast and you will get good reviews and returning customers. Third business model which you can start as a beginner is Etsy print on demand. And Etsy allows you to connect different printing companies with their website like Printify or Printful. But print on demand is very competitive market, and if you are going to start that business, make sure you have the right knowledge to start that business. You can use different websites to create your design like Midjourney and Canva, but make sure your design are unique and appealing. And also make sure to do better SEO of your products to appear in search results, because millions of customers are searching for those products, and if your product will appear on search results, you will make good sales. You can also start print on demand through Shopify as well, because Shopify also allows you to connect printing company with their website. But for beginners, if you can create better design, Etsy is the best option, because Shopify you will have to bring traffic to your website as I told you earlier. The fourth business model is selling digital products, and you can sell digital products through Shopify or through Etsy. And these digital products can be ebooks, mugs, t-shirts, stickers, and there are plenty of other products. Like you can also sell templates, wallpapers, mock-ups, and different designs. Gumroad and Lemon Squeezy are also the platforms which allows you to sell digital products. And as a beginner, if you have skills or knowledge, you can create those digital products easily using Canva like ebooks and templates. Digital products has great margins than physical products, because you will not be paying for inventory, you will not be paying to the suppliers, and customer will be able to download those products once they have paid. And as a beginner, if you have already social media presence, you can sell those digital products to your audience. I have also made a video about digital products and Etsy print on demand, and I am going to mention the link in description. Now, fifth business model which you can start as a beginner is writing online. And you can also start your own blog, but as a beginner I would recommend to start from Twitter or LinkedIn. Now this will help you to build your own audience, and you can start from any niche you are interested in, but make sure to provide the value in your niche, and after that you can monetize that audience through newsletter or through digital products or physical products, or even you can provide your services. In this business model you will have to stay consistent once you are going to write online, because in that way social media platforms and Google will also be able to rank your blog if you are going to write on a weekly basis. But if you are going to start on Twitter or LinkedIn, you will have to write 1 or 2 posts on daily basis. And this is the example of few creators who are building their whole business and they have monetized all of their audience through Twitter. And these are all the creators who are bringing all the traffic from social media to their website or to their blog. And few of them just started on social media platforms and they already have plenty of followers who are looking to buy their products or services. So as a beginner, the best method is to teach your audience in your niche, and once you are going to teach them, make sure to provide them with a free ebook. And if you are going to provide free products, that way you will be able to build authority in your niche. Once you have built the authority, then you can sell your own digital or physical products or services to your audience. So this is the best business model which you can start as a beginner, but make sure you are staying consistent. And you can start that business with $0 by simply just writing online in the niche you are interested. Now the sixth business model is affiliate marketing, and once you are going to write online, you can also promote different affiliate products because you already have a loyal audience who is looking to buy those products. And if you are promoting affiliate products, you will be able to make 25 to 30% commission on those sales. And there are plenty of sponsors who will be willing to work with you to feature their products on your newsletter or on your social media. So by working with the sponsors, you can make one-time payment, and you can also make affiliate marketing revenue through the products they are going to buy. So there are plenty of influencers and creators who are simply creating the content on social media like Instagram, and they are also promoting affiliate marketing products. Many of those have thousands of followers, and they are also promoting only affiliate marketing products because they are getting good commission rate. So if you have a loyal audience and you are providing them enough value, they will be interested in buying your products, and you can make 40 to 50% commission on different affiliate products. And once you have a good audience, you can also apply for Amazon influencer program. Amazon allows you to promote their products for affiliate commission. And there are millions of products on Amazon which you can promote to your audience in your niche. For example, if you are creating content related to travel and outdoor, you can also promote different bags or outdoor products through Amazon affiliate. And if you are creating content related to tech product reviews, you can also promote different tech products through Amazon affiliate. I have also signed for Amazon affiliate program, and these are all the products which I have put on my Amazon influencer page. I have also mentioned the link in description. You can check them out. Last business which you can start is a creator business, like creating content on social media, YouTube, or different platforms. As I told you earlier, as a creator, you will get different opportunities to promote your business or service. And this is the best business model ever which you can start simply with $0. You will make money through ads revenue, sponsorship, affiliate products, and different other revenue streams. And if you have a loyal audience, you can also build your own digital membership as well. You can charge for a specific monthly revenue from your followers, and there are different platforms which you can use like School, Gumroad, Lemon Squeezy, and other platforms. And in this membership group, you can also provide one-on-one support, live support, chat, ebooks, or you can also put your courses as well. So make sure you are providing enough value once you are going to create content for your audience. You can also start your own faceless YouTube channel as a creator, and there are plenty of YouTube channels which they have started a few months ago and they are already making thousands of dollars. So these are all the businesses which you can start as a beginner, but make sure to start with very less amount because you will be making plenty of mistakes, and if you are going to invest any money in the start, you will burn all your savings. So simply start with very less amount, and once you have gained the experience, then you can scale your business. If you would like me to make a video on any specific topic, please also mention in the comment section. You can also watch my previous videos on different topics, and I will be back soon.